Morning everybody. In the previous class I have already discussed about present continuous tense and past continuous tense. However we use these tenses, I discussed. Today I discussed about future continuous tense and where you use future continuous exercises. I do some exercises. So first of all I tell you what is called future continuous tense. The work which will continue in the future time, that is called future continuous tense. That is, it will be raining for 7 days. It will be raining for some time tomorrow, etc. and etc. Now I discuss what is the rules of future continuous tense. Subject, उसके बाद will be और shall be, उसके बाद verb 1 plus ing, that is I shall be eating rice, he will be going school, etc. and etc. And now I tell you where we use future continuous tense. Number 1, to denote an action that will be in progress at sometimes in the future. Example, the girls will be walking in the evening. Number 2, to denote the future events that are planned. That is, Mohit will be staying in America. That is, he planned will be staying in America. Number 3, to project ourselves in the future. I will be traveling at this time next month. Number 4, to predict about the future events. That is, it will be raining tomorrow. Number 5, to gently ask for information about the future. Will she be attending the function? So if we ask gently, politely about for information about the future, that is, we use future continuous tense. Okay, this is the future continuous tense. I explain what is called future continuous tense and how we formed future continuous tense and some rules where we use future continuous tense. Okay, now I solve two exercise A and exercise B. Okay, so I will solve exercise A and exercise B. Okay, exercise A, chapter 12. Use the present continuous tense of the verbs given in brackets to fill in the blanks. Bracket may do, wait, work, watch. You use these verbs here in the form of future continuous tense. Number 1, book may is doing in the book, are done in book. Now 2, what are you doing? I am waiting for you. He dash in mid-earth nowadays, work, he is working. Number 4, she doesn't like to talk when she dash television, watch, she is watching television. 5, the sapling dash bigger day by day, grow, the sapling is growing bigger day by day. 6, who dash about the schedule, complain, who is complaining about the schedule. 7, I dash Sunil tomorrow, meet, I am meeting Sunil tomorrow. 8, earth is always dash around the sun, move, is always moving, is moving. 9, Saif is always smiling. 10, Mihir's parents dash into their new house, shift. That is, Mihir's parents are shifting. Okay, now I repeat it. Number 2, what are you doing? I am waiting for you. He is working in mid-earth nowadays. She doesn't like to talk when she is watching television. The sapling is growing bigger day by day. Who is complaining about the schedule? I am meeting Sunil tomorrow. Earth is always moving around the sun. Saif is always smiling. Mihir's parents are shifting into their new house. Okay, this is exercise A. Now I start exercise B. Fill in the blanks with the past continuous tense of the verbs given in brackets. Past continuous is was where, after subject was where, then main verb plus ing. That is, watch. Shabita was watching the boys perform on the stage. Number 3, Rajia dash when the doorbell rang, work. Rajia was working. Number 4, Suruchi dash Bharatnatyam while her sister was learning judge. Surita was learning. 5, I dash not expect you so early. I was not expecting you so early. 6, Anjali dash play the piano early in the morning. Anjali was playing. 7. I dash learned the script when the waiter served the snacks. I was learning. That is, I repeat this exercise B. Fill in the blanks with past continuous tense. Sobita was watching the boys perform on the stage. Najia was working when the doorbell rang. Suruchi was learning Bharatnatyam while her sister was learning judge. I was not expecting you so early. Anjali was playing the piano early in the morning. I was learning the script when the waiter served the snacks. Homework worksheet exercise C, D, E, F. I give you homeworks exercise C, D, E, and F. Okay. Now I show you the pages today. So today I discuss about future continuous tense and I do exercise A and B in the class, and you will practice all this, and I give you as homework exercise C, D, E, and F, and next day I start chapter 13 perfect tense. Okay, thank you.